Hey PUBG squad, welcome back. So do you want to unlink your mobile number from your PUBG account? Well, maybe you're switching numbers or dodging ranked play. Whatever the reason, I've got the step-by-step fix for PC and quick mobile tip. Let's drop in. So my friends, your mobile number in PUBG Battlegrounds is tied to SMS verification for ranked matchmaking on PC and consoles, added back in 2024 security. Unlinking it means no more ranked access, but you can still play casual. For PUBG Mobile, it's about login options. Here's how to cut the cord. So for PC via Steam or consoles, head to account.krafton.com, log in with your Krafton ID, the one linked to your PUBG account. Go to personal info, then linked accounts, and check your mobile number and SMS verification. Click change number, you can also see the screenshot on the right. After that, change number, verify your old number's code, then skip adding a new one. No number, no ranked, done. But my friends, for PUBG Mobile it's trickier. Your number might be tied to a social login like Google Play or Apple ID. Open the game, hit the settings and accounts. If it's linked via phone, log out, switch to another method like Twitter, and remove the old access in your phone's app settings. Check Google Play games or Apple ID apps. Progress stays safe. And guys, that's it. Mobile number is now unlinked. Smash that like, subscribe, and drop a comment if this helped. See you in the next one, guys.